Welcome to our channel where we make tech simple and practical for your everyday needs. Today we're diving into a quick yet powerful way to optimize your Google Drive experience by adjusting its cache size. Whether you're managing large files or just want smoother performance, this guide will walk you through the process in under a minute. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Google Drive app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make these changes. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked together. This is the menu icon. Give it a tap to open the side panel. From here, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Tap it to access your Drive's configuration menu. Now, swipe down through the settings list until you spot cache size. This controls how much temporary storage Google Drive uses on your device. Tap it, and you'll see a list of options: 100 megabytes, 250 megabytes, 500 megabytes, or 1 gigabyte. Choose the size that best fits your needs. If you frequently work with large files or want faster access to recently opened documents, go for the higher options. For lighter use, 100 megabytes or 250 megabytes should suffice. Once you've made your selection, the app will automatically apply the change. That's it. You've successfully optimized your Google Drive's cache settings. This simple tweak can help free up space, reduce lag, and keep your files running smoothly. Remember, you can always revisit these settings later to adjust the size again as your needs change. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your tech life simple and efficient.